Welcome to the General Anatomy and Physiology course. In this course, you will learn about the importance of anatomy, physiology, and histology to the barbering profession, the structure and reproduction of cells, the types of tissues found in the body, the definition of organs and body systems, and the main body systems and their basic function. By the end of this course, you will be able to define and explain the importance of anatomy, physiology, and histology to the barbering profession. Describe cells, their structure, and their reproduction. Identify and define the types of tissues found in the body. Define organs and body systems. And name the main body systems and explain their basic functions. Understanding how the human body functions as an integrated whole is crucial for barbers. It helps in understanding how clients' hair and skin may react to various treatments and services. Recognizing the difference between normal and abnormal conditions will assist in knowing what requires referral to a physician. Understanding the bone, muscle, and nerve structure of the human body aids in providing appropriate services for clients. Cells are the basic unit of all living things. They are composed of protoplasm, a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. Protoplasm is a colorless, jelly-like substance inside cells, where food elements and water are present. The nucleus is the dense, active protoplasm found in the center of the cell, playing a significant role in cell reproduction and metabolism. The cytoplasm surrounds the nucleus and is needed for growth, reproduction, and self-repair. The cell membrane encloses the protoplasm and permits soluble substances to enter and leave the cell. Cells reproduce by dividing into two identical cells called daughter cells through a process called mitosis. This process provides new cells for growth and replacement of worn and injured ones. Tissues are collections of similar cells that perform particular functions. The four types of tissues in the bodies are connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and nerve tissue. Connective tissue binds together, protects, and supports the various parts of the body. Epithelial tissue is a protective covering on body surfaces. Muscle tissue contracts and moves various parts of the body. Nerve tissue carries messages to and from the brain and controls all bodily functions. Organs are structures composed of specialized tissues designed to perform specific functions in plants and animals. Body systems are groups of organs acting together to perform one or more functions. The main body systems include the skeletal, muscular, nervous, circulatory, lymphatic, immune, endocrine, digestive, excretory, respiratory, integumentary, and reproductive systems. The skeletal system forms the physical foundation of the body, composed of 206 bones that vary in size and shape and are connected by movable and immovable joints. It provides shape and support, protects internal structures and organs, serves as an attachment for muscles, acts as levers to produce body movement, produces red and white blood cells, and stores minerals. The skull is divided into the cranium and facial skeleton. The cranium includes the occipital bone, parietal bones, frontal bone, temporal bone, ethmoid bone, and sphenoid bone. The facial skeleton includes the nasal bones, lacrimal bones, zygomatic bones, maxillae, and mandible. The muscular system covers, shapes, and supports the skeleton and helps produce movement within the body. Muscle tissues types include striate, non-striate, and cardiac muscle. The muscles has three parts: the origin, belly, and insertion. Muscles can be stimulated by various methods, including massage, electric current, light rays, heat rays, moist heat, nerve impulses, and chemicals. The muscles of the scalp include the epicranius, occipitalis, frontalis, and epicranial aponeurosis. Facial muscles include the orbicularis oculi, corrugator, procerus, and various muscles around the mouth. The neck muscles include the platysma and the sternocleidomastoideus. The nervous system controls and coordinates the functions of all other systems and makes them work harmoniously and efficiently. It is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of sensory and motor nerve fibers that extends from the brain and spinal cord to all parts of the body. The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, controls the steady circulation of the blood through the body by means of the heart and blood vessels. The heart is a muscular, cone-shaped organ that keeps the blood moving within the circulatory system. Blood vessels include arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and veins. Blood is a nutritive fluid that supplies oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues and removes carbon dioxide and waste from them. The lymphatic immune system is made up of lymph nodes, the thymus gland, the spleen, and lymph vessels. It helps protect the body from disease by developing immunities and destroying disease-causing microorganisms. The integumentary system consists of the skin and its accessory organs, such as the oil and sweat glands, sensory receptors, hair, and nails. It serves as a protective covering and helps regulate body temperature. The endocrine system is a group of specialized glands that affect the growth, development, sexual functions, and health of the entire body. It includes the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pancreas. The reproductive system includes the ovaries, uterine tubes, uterus, and vagina in the female, and the testes, prostate glands, penis, and urethra in the male. It is responsible for human reproduction. In conclusion, understanding general anatomy and physiology is crucial for the barbering profession. It helps in providing appropriate services, recognizing abnormal conditions, and ensuring client safety. Mastering this knowledge will enhance your skills and professionalism as a barber.